Next, we will go with one of the analysis about the convex lens. Analyze the following observation table showing the variation of image distance v and the object distance u in case of a convex lens and answer the following questions without doing any calculations. You should not do any calculation, you have to just analyze it. So when this type of table is given, remember children, this is 6 cases are there. You know, in the case of convex lens, only in the case of convex lens you will observe this. You have to just analyze that. First case, take it as when object is at infinite. Object is at infinite, image will be formed at f1. Second case, observe when object is beyond 2f1. This is between, this is beyond 2f1, this is at f1. I am going to keep the object at f1. In the next case, between f1 and the 2f1. Here I am going to keep the object at f1. Here I am going to keep the object between the optic center as well as the f1 here. All the 6 cases are there along with the object distance and image distance. Now you just observe. By observing this table, you have to answer to these questions. What is the focal length of convex lens? Give reasons to justify your answers. You have to find out the focal length here. So without exactly knowing, we can't able to find out the focal length here. But there is a trick when this type of table is given. When this table is given, just observe the third serial number. That is, this is the third one. Whenever you see the third one, you can observe that object distance and image distance are same. When object distance and image distance are same means the object is placed at 2f1. When object is placed at 2f1, that is equals to center of curvature, then that distance is equals to radius of curvature. I think you will agree with this. This f1, what is the object distance is given as the radius of curvature. Then you can able to find out the focal length here. Radius of curvature is 40 centimeter means focal length you will be getting as 20 centimeter. So easily without doing calculation by observing. So if this is the case, directly you can say without calculating half of the 40 centimeter is focal length is 20 centimeter. Give reasons to justify your answers. If you observe the third condition, you can observe that the object is at 2f1. If object is at 2f1, then the object radius of curvature is 40 centimeter. Hence, the focal length will be 20 centimeter. Next, go with the B question. Write the serial number of the observation which is not correct. On what basis you have arrived to the conclusion. Just see all the observation. If you observe this, you will find out, just read with the positive and negative signs. All the image distance are in positive. But we know that when an object is between f1 and optic center, the image will be formed on the same side. If I want to write that, when I keep the object between f1 and optic center, the image will be formed on the same side of the lens. That is, maybe it can be at 120 centimeter, but here it is a positive sign. When object is formed on the same side of the lens, I have to get it as negative here. So that is why by seeing itself you can conclude that the serial number 6 is wrong, because when object is placed between f1 and optic center, the image will be formed on the same side of the lens. It should be the negative one. So hence the observation which I have observed at the last one is wrong here. Now I will go with the last one. Select an appropriate scale and draw a ray diagram for the observation at serial number to also find the approximate value of magnification. You have to observe the serial number 2, that is when object is beyond 2f1, when object is placed, that is object distance u is equals to minus 60 centimeter, v is equals to 30 centimeter. You can only conclude that what is the magnification you will get. That is m is equals to v divided by u, that is 1 by 2. Magnification you can write without calculation. you will get minus 0.5 magnification you will get, or you will get it as 1 by 2. I hope you have understood this. So thank you children.